Good morning, Teppers. Or leopards is what Chad suggested I call my channel. If you saw Chad's video yesterday, he pranked me good. He keeps getting me with the cars every time he comes here, I get so upset with this. I can't even speak clearly. Look at this boat in the background. Florida, Florida. Comes down to Florida and visits me. He pranks me with a car. If you saw yesterday's video with Chad, I keep falling for this over and over and over again, that he's gonna give me a car. I think eventually he's gonna give me a car, but this time he really got me good. I'm gonna roll.
Honestly, I always prank you with getting you a car. So Randy's moving to Denver, so I actually bought his old car off him, and that's your car, bro.
Yeah, whatever, guys.
No, that's your car, bro.
No, I'm not falling for it.
No, this is your car, bro. Check it out.
I'm not. You didn't wash it though, bro.
What do you think about your new car?
I'm not falling for it this time.
No, this is your car, bro. What do you think?
Really? Where's the keys?
Right in front.
Right in the front.
Oh, no, this isn't your car. That's your new car right there. Sucker! This is bad. Okay, I'm starting to feel really...
Did you see what he did? He shot silly string all over me, pranked me with a little car, but the joke's on him. Because check out this clip with my new car. Nice. Hey guys, the joke's on Chad. This car is badass.
Oh, wow, nice ride.
Oh, thanks. This thing's cool, isn't it? Look at all the storage.
Wow, that's fancy.
And it hovers. It's a hover car.
That's pretty badass.
You like it? It's
yeah.
a hover car.
I like it a
My
lot.
brother got it for me.
Wow, that's a nice brother.
Yeah. He's on Team 10.
Wow.
That's why he got a hover car.
That's even cooler.
You want to go for a ride?
I mean, yeah, I do. Now I do.
Sweet.
Okay, let's go.
I'll even let you drive it.
Yeah, I'd love to try it out.
Do you see? The joke's on Chad. I picked up a cool chick with his brand new car he gave me, so I'm not even worried about it. And now I'm gonna go out and go for an exercise. Check out a little bit of a montage of Florida, and then we'll see you next time. Ooh, thanks for watching my video. Thanks for subscribing. Nobody else will have to know. Keep it sexy and keep it smelly, and keep on watching. You're just getting started, and so am I. Alright.